Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best perfect air fryer chicken wing. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Air Fryer Pro 4-in-1 with 5 QD capacity. Air fry, roast, reheat, dehydrate, air crisp technology with 400F for hot, 120 volts, non-stick basket and crisper plate, gray, AF141. Special feature temperature control, timer, automatic shutoff, programmable. Product dimensions 14.84 inch dx 11.29 wx 10.39h. Color black. Capacity 5 quarts. Material plastic, metal. Air crisp technology, 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity, the 5 QD non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods, up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Frozen TO crispy, cook frozen foods in just minutes for an extra crispy finish. Space saver, Ninja's latest air fryer design allows you to save even more space on your countertop without compromising capacity. Easy TO clean, the basket and crisper plate are both non-stick for easy cleaning. What's included? Air fryer, 5 QD non-stick basket and crisper plate, chef-inspired 20 recipe book and cooking charts. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex 5.7 QD Air Fryer. Custom program options, 4-in-1 functions, even crisp technology that crisps, roasts, bakes and reheats, 100 plus in-app recipes, from the makers of Instant Pot. Special feature programmable. Product dimensions 12.01 inch dx 15.31 wx 12.72h. Color black. Capacity 5.7 quarts. Material stainless steel. 4-in-1 functionality, air fry, bake, roast, and reheat. Even crisp technology, advanced technology that drives airflow top down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. One-touch smart programs, customizable programs for one-touch wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, and more. Fast preheating, little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy cleanup, non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. Compact design and stainless steel accents, perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. Discover amazing recipes, download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. Number 3. Kitchen Elite Air Fryer Oven. Stainless steel, XL 8.5 QD large air fryer with view window, 10 one-touch functions, precise temp control, 90% less oil, rapid heating, roast, dehydrate, 1700W, enhanced. Special feature temperature control, automatic shutoff. Product dimensions 13.7 inch dx 12.2 wx 16.3h. Color stainless steel. Capacity 8.5 quarts. Material stainless steel. Experience with Kitchen Elite Large Stainless Steel Air Fryer, 8.5 QD family size capacity for families of 4 to 6. This large air fryer ensures abundant meal portions. Cutting oil intake by 90%, healthier cooking practices, making family meals both delicious and nutritious. Revolutionize your kitchen with large air fryer. 10 preset functions for diverse cooking options such as crispy fries, juicy chicken wings, tender fish fillets, golden onion rings, delectable donuts, homemade pizza, and more. With a maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Customizable settings for personalized convenience, making cooking a breeze for all skill levels. Modern comfort with digital touchscreen, boasting a wide-angle viewing window for effortless food monitoring, this air fryer integrates a user-friendly full-touch screen interface. Its stainless steel composition not only ensures longevity but also seamlessly fits into diverse kitchen designs, offering convenience and style in one package. Clean and safety, dedicated to safety and cleanliness, this advanced air fryer prioritizes your well-being by being non-toxic and free from harmful substances. Eliminating the necessity for excess oil not only fosters healthier cooking practices but also ensures a grease-free cooking experience, promoting a clean and safe culinary environment for you and your family to enjoy. Number 4. Nuwave Brio 8QT Air Fryer. Powerful 1800W, easy-to-read cool white display, 50 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit temp controls, 100 pre-programmed presets and 50 memory slots, integrated smart thermometer, linear T technology. Special feature manual. Product dimensions 15.1-inch dx 16.5 wx 13.1h. Color classic black. Capacity 8 quarts. Material stainless steel. Make adjustments on the fly. Want hotter temperature or need to cook it longer? No problem. Simply adjust on the fly. Starting the cooking process over is not necessary. Brio's intuitive digital controls are easy to operate, and the response is immediate. Fit up to 3 pounds of French fries, 3 pounds of wings, or 5-pound chicken with ease. Brio's cool white display is easy to read in any light or no light. Healthy fried food and easy cleanup. Brio uses superheated air and an efficient airflow design to cook crispy, delicious fried foods without the guilt. No more messy oil, added fats, or calories. Brio allows you to air fry all your favorites even from frozen, without defrosting. The ultra non-stick air circulation riser is great for grilling and air frying. The premium stainless steel reversible rack allows for multi-layer cooking. All are dishwasher safe, and the cleanup is a breeze. Integrated digital temperature probe. Once the desired doneness temperature is set, Brio constantly monitors the internal temperature of your food and automatically ends the cooking process when the desired internal temperature is reached. Let the Brio do the work for you while you sit back and relax. You will never undercook or overcook your food again. Number 5. Oster Air Fryer. 4-quart digital air fryer, medium air fryer with window. Special feature timer. Product dimensions 9.7-inch dx 13.3 wx 10.7h. Color silver. Capacity 4 quarts. Material metal. 10 preset digital functions: bake, chicken wings, dehydrate, dessert, fish, French fries, meat, reheat, whole chicken, and vegetables, for easily making all of your favorite meals. Removable viewing window, lets you monitor cooking process, and removes for easy cleaning. Sleek, modern design, matte black exterior with chrome accents and easy-to-clean digital screen. Healthier cooking, get the delicious, crispy results you love, with up to 99.5% less oil than traditional deep fryers. Durable non-stick surface, scratch-resistant finish, won't flake or peel and ensures that food won't stick. Interior cooking chamber light, offers enhanced visibility while monitoring cooking progress. 60-minute timer, with audible ready alert to let you know when food is done.